A moderate magnitude 4.4 earthquake occurred in the East China Sea near Suwanose-jima Island, Japan, in the morning of Saturday, June 28, 2025 at 11:12 a.m. local time, GMT+9. The quake had a very shallow depth of 20 kilometers, 12 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, Raspberry shake after 7 minutes. The earthquake occurred 1 hour and 57 minutes after a magnitude 4.5 earthquake had hit on Saturday, June 28, 2025, at 9:15 a.m. GMT+9 local time, in 14.4 kilometers, 9 miles, distance to the northwest. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.